हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एक्सप्लोरिंग गोल्स चैनल रे तो सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन हिट करी और नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर दिया सब लाइव अपलोडेड वीडियोस पाई आज डिस्कस करबा डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी डीपीएसपी रो टॉप एमसीक्यूज। फ्रेंड्स निश्चित देखंतु कम समय रे अधिक जानंतु रो एई शॉर्ट वीडियो को समस्त को स्वागत। लेट्स बिगिन। दिस वन इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट फॉर ऑल योर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the concept of welfare state is included in which part of Indian constitution? Right answer is option C, the directive principle of state policy or DPSP रे अच्छी welfare state, concept of welfare state जहाँ की part 4 part IV of article 36 to 51 article 36 to 51 भितर आसुची welfare state or concept directive principle of state policy. Let's go. Question number 2. In which one of the following is promotion of international peace and security mentioned in Constitution of India? Right answer is directive principle of state policy re mention achi promotion of international peace and security. Yes friends, article 51 सहित connected. Question number 3. Which of the following is not included in directive principle of state policy? Right to information, prohibition of liquor, right to work, equal wage for equal work. ये सब directive principle of state policy रे अछि, but not right to information. Separation of judiciary from the executive has been provided in one of the following part of Indian constitution. और ये मध्य right answer होछि directive principle of state policy DPSP रे रहिछि, जा द्वारा separate होछि judiciary from the executive. Question number 5. Which of the following are stated as directive principle of state policy by article 51 of the constitution? तो देखिबा, states shall endeavor to promote international peace and security, maintain just and honorable relation between nations, encourage settlement of international disputes by arbitration. तो এই তিনটা যাক statement actually DPSP under आछी, तो 1 2 3 is the right answer, means D correct. Question number 6. Which one of the following is a directive principle of state policy? Right answer is the states shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment. ये article 48A रे mention अछि. Article 48A अनुसार state shall endeavor to protect and improve environment. DPSP are non-justiciable friends, cannot be conferred through court of law. ये हुची DPSP non-justiciable. Question number 8. The purpose of the inclusion of directive principle of state policy in Indian constitution is to establish Indian constitution रे directive principle of state policy include हमारा purpose होची social and economic democracy establish करिवा. Question number 9. By which amendment act of the constitution of India which deals with directive principle of state policy are? Right answer question number 9 Rasi 44th Amendment Act 1978 and Constitution of India रे include हेतला DPSP जहा द्वारा हमें minimize करी पारिले inequality in income, facility, status और opportunity. जो inequality states रे देखिवा को मिले बा सब लोक मान को भीतर inequality देखिवा को मिले income रे facility, state and status and opportunity related सही जो inequality को equality रे convert करिवा target थिला. Question number 10. Equal pay for equal work has been ensured in the Indian constitution as one of the. Right answer is directive principle of state policy. Equal pay for equal work article 39 सहित connected. Question number 11. Panchayati Raj system is laid down under. Right answer is directive principle of state policy 73rd amendment रे आस्थिला. 73rd amendment रे आसीथिला. Amendment Act 1992 सहित connected. Question number 12. The directive principle of state policy is a check which is paid on bank's convenience. Who told it? Right answer is K.T. Saha. Question number 13. Which part of Indian constitution deals with directive principle of state policy? Right answer is part IV. Question number 14. Which one of the following article of directive principle of state policy deals with promotion of international peace and security? Right answer is article 51. Question number 15. Gandhian principles have been enumerated in the. Right answer is directive principle. Question number 16. The main purpose of including directive principle of state policy in Indian constitution is to establish a welfare state is the main purpose of including DPSP in Indian constitution. Question number 17. When and which committee suggests justiciable and non-justiciable right type of rights? Sapro committee 1945 रे suggest करथिले. Question number 18. Which of the following statement is true regarding DPSP? The statement देखिबा, the concept was mentioned in Government of India Act 1935. DPSP are non-legally enforceable. So both 1 and 2 means C is the right answer. Okay, Government of India Act 1935 रही. 19. Which of the articles in the constitution state the Gandhian principles? Gandhian principle article 40 to 48 भितरे. आणि जदि देखिबा Gandhian principle को ताहले article 40 suggest करथला organization of village panchayat, article 45 promotion of cottage industry, article 46 promotion and protection of interest of educational and economic interest of SC, ST and other weaker sections of the society and protect them from social injustice and exploitation ru protect kariba pai article 46 asitila. Article 47 prohibition of consumption of intoxicants, drinks, drugs which are injurious to health, and article 48 prohibition of slaughter of cows, calves and other milch and dropped cattle. So cattle मानकर death बा तांको हत्या करिवार against article 48. 20. Which article states about uniform civil code throughout the country? Uniform civil code सहित article 44 connected. 21. From which country Indian constitution borrowed DPSP, directive principle of state policy? Ireland ru borrow करथिला, B correct. 22. Which amendment made elementary education for all children between the ages of 6 and 14 a fundamental right? Also choose the article added after that. The article add ହେଇଥିଲା ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛେ 21A किंतु amendment केते 86th amendment. So answer होची D, 86th amendment article 21A in 2002. So these are 22 most important MCQs on DPSP, directive principle of state policy. Thanks for watching. Hope they will help you for your upcoming examination. जदि चैनल रे नुआ तो सब्सक्राइब करी, बेल आइकन हिट करी, ऑल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर दियो. एमिति सब शॉर्ट वीडियोज कम समय रे अधिका जानिबार वीडियोज पाइबा पाई. So friends, like, comment, share करी निश्चित encourage करो for more videos and thanks for watching. Have a great day. जय जगन्नाथ.